Do you need to replace the keyboard on your Dell Latitude 7410? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. First, loosen the captive screws on the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Next, remove the heat shield. Now unscrew and remove the bracket that secures the antenna cables. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unscrew and remove the bracket that secures the LCD cable. Then disconnect the LCD cables. Now unscrew the cooling fan. Next, unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the LED cable. Then unclip the locking tab to disconnect the USH board cable. Then unscrew and disconnect the F-beam. Now disconnect the speakers. Next, unscrew and remove the input-output board. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Next, unscrew and remove the keyboard assembly. Now unscrew and disconnect the keyboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.